Hi everyone, and welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we're exploring the 3 best calendar apps for iPhone to help you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Let's jump right in. Number 1, Google Calendar. If you're already using the Google Calendar web app, you'll feel right at home with the iPhone version. This app integrates seamlessly with the entire suite of Google products, making it a powerhouse for productivity. One of its standout features is its ability to automatically add events, like flight reservations or out-of-office settings, directly from Gmail into your calendar. No more manual entries. And when you start typing a location for an event, the app offers suggestions from Google Maps, saving you time and effort. Google Calendar also offers clean, useful view options and supports both events and tasks, making it a versatile tool for managing your time. The only downside? It only has 3 widgets, which might feel limiting for some users. Number 2, Apple Calendar. Apple Calendar is the pre-installed app on your iPhone. It's a perfect example of Apple's signature simplicity and ease of use. With Apple Calendar, you can easily switch between views. Just tap the month or year in the top left corner to zoom out from day to month to year. And if you want to jump back to today's date, simply tap the Today button in the bottom left corner. It's intuitive and straightforward. The app also syncs with all your other calendars and even allows calendar delegation so you can share your schedule with others. However, if you're looking for advanced features or customization, Apple Calendar might feel a bit too basic. It's a no-frills option, but it gets the job done. Number 3, Fantastical. Finally, we have Fantastical, an app that consistently makes it onto best of lists, and for good reason. It combines beautiful, intuitive design with powerful features that cater to both casual users and power users alike. Fantastical takes the simplicity of Apple Calendar and enhances it with advanced functionality. It syncs seamlessly across your iPhone, Mac, iPad, and Apple Watch, so your schedule is always at your fingertips. One of its standout features is its top-tier natural language processing. You can type or speak something like lunch with Sarah at 1 p.m. tomorrow, and Fantastical will create the event for you. No manual input required. The app also offers 16 widget options, giving you plenty of ways to customize your experience. The only downside? Fantastical is on the pricier side, but for many, the features are well worth the cost. And that's it, the 3 best calendar apps for iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more tech tips and app recommendations.